Rajiv.
And I am Sahil.
Today we will be presenting on the importance of personal protective equipment in workforce and elaborate on machine and hand tool safety rules.
To begin with, personal protective equipment, also known as PPE, are equipment worn to minimize the exposure of hazards. As part of any workplace, some of the basic safety products that you need to have are a pair of safety shoes or safety boots, you can say. This will protect your feet and toes from any sorts of injuries and falling objects. You will also need a eye goggles or eyeglasses, you can say. This will protect your eyes from flying sediments or debris. An earmuff will protect your ears and hearing from loud and intense noises and vibration. And make sure to have a pair of gloves that will protect your hands from any sorts of infections or contamination. Now moving to the second part of our presentation, we will discuss the proper and safe usage of hand and machine tools. Firstly, we got a circular saw here. A circular saw is a power tool that is used to make different forms or types of cuts in material due to the rotating blade it has. To ensure safe and proper usage of such material, users must continue cutting or applying force rather to the front end handle towards the end of the material to allow a sharp, clean cut along the grain to be made. Make sure that the blade is properly attached to the saw to prevent any sorts of fatal or disastrous injuries or incidents and to preserve the quality of work produced. Never wear loose clothing or jewelry while operating such machines with revolving parts. Cut in a direction away from your body to prevent any part of your body or clothing to be exposed with the revolving parts. Ensure that the safety guard is in place to ensure the safety of the user and safety of the machine when not in use. Then we got here is a hand saw. A hand saw is a woodworking tool that is used to make various shapes of cut in wood manually. In order to properly and safely use such hand tools, users must have a proper grip and point your forefinger in the direction of the blade. This will allow you to get a clean, straight cut along the grain of the material. Operate at a correct cutting angle. Approximately at a 45-degree angle is suggested, and this will allow you to easily and cleanly cut through the material. Take longer strokes and to allow straight cuts to be made, and this will ensure there is no kickbacks in the material and a precise cut will be made. Keep your elbow as close as to your body. This will allow or add stability and power to your operation and allow a safer cut to be made.
Furthermore, another most commonly used machine tool is a cordless power drill. It is a tool with an electric motor that rotates replaceable bit in order to bore holes in wood and to insert and remove screws. While operating this machine, ensure that the tip of the bit is placed into an indentation made in a material. Hold the drill perpendicular to apply maximum force. Allow the machine to reach its maximum speed. Uh, Allow the machine to reach maximum speed to and gradually apply load. Make sure to hold the drill with both hands to control operational accuracy. Make sure to keep your hands and fingers away from the revolving bit. Lastly, a hand chisel. A hand chisel is a tool that is used to make clean, precise cuts. It can also be used to chip and carve materials. To correctly use this hand tool, ensure that the cutting edge of the chisel is sharp. Having a dull edge can lead to injuries. Make sure to tightly grip the chisel in order to operate to get a better stability, and the workpiece should be properly clamped. Hold the chisel at a correct angle while operating, otherwise it can easily slip away. Take a proper stance when operating a hand chisel, as it will give you better control and power behind the work you are doing. To conclude, this presentation provides a basic instruction regarding personal protective equipment and the correct use of hand tool and machine.
Hope you guys liked the video and found something useful. Thank you.